Tucked away in the woods of Commerce Township sits a hidden log cabin with true up-north vibes, just minutes from modern life. Welcome to 3511 Sutton Lane, a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home built in 1939 with over 2,200 square feet of rustic living space on more than 7 wooded acres. This is a genuine log cabin, built from real timber, sitting directly on the water with its own lake frontage, and it also connects by canal to all sports Commerce Lake. As you come down the private drive, you're immediately surrounded by towering pines and a sense of seclusion. The cabin sits quietly among the trees with direct water views. From your shoreline, you can drop in a kayak, cast a line, or take a slow paddle through the canal out to Commerce Lake for skiing, tubing, or boating, all from your own backyard. The land itself stretches over 7 acres, giving you room to enjoy privacy, trails, or the opportunity to create an expanded lakefront retreat. Inside, the cabin delivers the kind of warmth only a true log home can provide. Exposed beams, natural wood textures, and a cozy layout make it feel like a year-round getaway. The living spaces are open and welcoming, with plenty of natural light pouring in. The kitchen and baths are ready for someone's creative vision. Move in and enjoy as is, which I wouldn't necessarily recommend, or transform the space into a rustic luxury retreat. Every detail of this property tells a story. Think about winters spent by the fire, summers filled with laughter on the water, and quiet mornings where all you hear are the birds and the breeze through the trees. It's not just a home, it's an opportunity to create the kind of memories that last a lifetime. This log cabin was recently reduced in price, now offered at $700,000, nearly $200,000 off its original list price. For that, you're getting seclusion, private lake frontage, canal access to Commerce Lake, acreage, and a one-of-a-kind piece of history in Metro Detroit's backyard. If you've been dreaming of a private escape, this is your chance. Reach out to schedule your tour, and if you enjoy exploring unique properties like this one, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who'd love a rustic lakefront retreat. This is 3511 Sutton Lane in Commerce Township, a historic log cabin with direct lake frontage, canal access to all sports Commerce Lake, and endless potential.